Hey guys, brand new floor plan, 2022 Grand Design Transcend XPLOR 251BH. Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Also, quick clip of the underbelly, so watch all the way till the end. All right, starting at the entry door looking in, you got a slide out here. Nice kitchen. Nice unique bunk setup up front. Pass-through bathroom. Slide in the bedroom. This is where we'll start. You got a queen 60 by 80 walk-around bed. Storage underneath, shocks that hold it up for you. Overhead cabinetry, you got charging areas. A window on either side that opens, both with shades. Another window in the back that opens with a larger blackout shade. Receptacles. A solid door that closes off the bedroom. Countertop area, your fire escape window does open. Receptacles, a spot for a TV. On either side, you've got nice storage, drawers down low. You got skylight, 2 air ducts, your heat down low. In the bathroom, again, another solid door to close that off. You got the porcelain foot flush toilet. Sink area with countertop space and receptacles. Storage throughout. Good spot for a trash can. Your shower with the overhead skylight. You've got the retractable door. It does reduce spills. You do have a heavy recoil on this. So if you're not happy with the door, you can always put your own shower curtain rings up top. Got an exhaust fan, air duct. Heat duct down low. Moving into the living area, you got the 12 volt, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Because this does have the solar panel on the roof. Got a nice little drawer down low. Your U-shaped booth dinette does drop down and make a bed. We'll take a look at that. You can remove the back cushions if you like to get a little bit more space. You got Velcro holding those up. And on your sofa, on your dinette backs, you've got the option of the fabric or the smooth side. The table down is the best way for it to travel, so there's no chance of that bouncing out or falling over in transit. It just sits right on that ledge there. Nice large window that opens, the blackout shade. You do have storage down low. In the kitchen area, you got the dual stainless steel sink, extended spray head, receptacles throughout, lights, the glass fronts on your storage, microwave. Your exhaust does exhaust outside. You got a 3-burner range, LED lights, nice large Furrion oven. Again, tons of countertop space. The TV is on a swivel arm and you got easy access to the hookups. Tons of drawer space. Again, great spot for a trash can. The highlight of the floor plan, in the back, you've got a sitting area with the bunk above it. So during the day, you've got somewhere to sit. You got storage. Storage on the side, great for hanging. You do have receptacle and charging. What's unique here? You got basically a drop-down bed, jackknife sofa there, but it makes one large bed because you've got the block foam cushions back there. Then you've got the bed that lowers down. So you got 2 bunks. You've also got the built-in ladder for easy access getting in and out of that top bunk. So you can sleep 7 people comfortably here. 2 and 2, someone on the dinette, and then the queen bed up front. So very unique new setup, utilizing as much space as possible for sleeping. So your brand new 2022 Grand Design XPLOR 251BH. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. As we move out, you've got your Furrion stereo, USB, HDMI hookups, and then the controls for your slides. Check your holding tanks, your lighting, your awning, all in one location. So very convenient hookups there. Your fire extinguisher right by the door. Guys, before we go outside, take a look down in the description. I'll have links to other campers if this is not quite the one you're looking for. Also, all your specs, holding tank sizes, all your measurements listed down there as well. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on. So be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, .RV. All right, moving to the outside, you see a nice Transcend logo on the front. Model number right there on the tongue jack, which is power with a light. 2 20-pound LP bottles under the cover. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. Yeah, nice pass-through storage. Your battery disconnect, cable, water hookup. Your solar charger here. You got motion sensor lighting. 251 has a dry weight of 6,708 pounds. You got a magnet that holds up your compartment doors. Again, 2 latches in addition to your key. Keeps you a nice solid seal all the way around. Nice deep slide outs. You got manual stabilizer jacks. Check down in the description. I'll have a link to those. Moving down the slide out side. Got black tank flush, sewer connection and gray valve. We are looking at a 30 amp service. Another storage area in the back here. Again, same with the magnet. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. On the roof, you got your air conditioner, solar panel, roof vents, TV antenna, your skylight, top of your slide outs. Prep for backup camera. Your spare tire will come with a cover. Around to the campsite, you got a full-length power awning. Outside speakers. Exhaust for your range. Spray port on this side so you can spray off those steps. You got a cable hookup and a receptacle here as well. Back side of your hot water heater and your furnace. Again, exhaust for your range, large assist handle, model number at the doorway. Nice clean aluminum steps. The other side of that pass-through storage. There's your 30 amp cord and the hand crank for your jacks. Your brand new 2022 Grand Design Transcend 251BH. Thanks for watching. All right, as promised with the slide in, you got about halfway access to the refrigerator, access to the freezer. You're not getting into that bathroom though until you put the slide out just a little bit. So you do need to put it out of here to get to the bathroom. Fully enclosed underbelly. See your axles, quick connect for your LP. Nice foam insulation covering any of your openings where pipes, cables go through. Bottom, we haven't even cleaned this one yet, but just wanted to show you the underbelly.